It's a beautiful, cool Saturday morning, and I got some projects to begin and some grass to cut. But the problem is my mower's broke. I gotta put a new bearing on the PTO shaft, and I gotta fix a tire that keeps going flat. I think the rim is rusty. It's been hotter than a spoon in a crack house around here. It's a beautiful, cool morning. I'm gonna take advantage of it. Also, today we pulled the motor out of the BMW the other week. Gonna put that in the back of the blue truck as soon as the boy gets back from putting gas in it, so that it can be out of the way, so we can put the GMC in and change the transmission. So big projects today. Oh, and here's a project Mrs. Heavy Chevy's been working on. Restoring a pedal car. And my neighbor guy been working on this a few hours a week. I might have to take over. Anyway, it's time to get busy. Alright, got a bunch of crap back there. You like it, don't you?
Yes, very nice truck.
You got new shoes?
New tennis shoes.
So yeah. What is she doing? We're gonna move this outside so it doesn't get damaged, okay?
What? My car?
Your car, yeah.
Well, okay, and let me move it.
Hear that? Burn the tire. That's the first time you ever heard it squeal the tires, ain't it? No? The big GM seizures on the lift. He's tying his shoes for safety's sake.
Yep.
Alright, you got one under the front?
Yeah, she should be good to roll.
Alright, well, all you gotta do now is pull the transmission out.
Yeah, ain't no big whoop.
Alright, while you and Harley are doing that, I'm gonna work on my lawnmower. As much as I can, that is. Here's the problem with a lawnmower. That bearing right there is gone. No bueno. The mower's up and I'm trying to fight that old bearing out. How's it going in here?
It's going.
You gotta get that carrier bearing out. Unbolted.
I can take that out first.
So you can get the drive shaft out.
Well, I'm working on the oil pan.
Well, go ahead. Why are you erasing your work?
I'm trying to get the adhesive off without damaging the vinyl or the paint.
Must have been a low quality sticker, eh?
No, actually, our daughter bought the good stuff and it left an adhesive residue on the vinyl. When she uses the cheap stuff, it don't do that. Isn't that funny?
I guess so. Not ha ha funny. Alright, I'm gonna keep fighting with this thing. After some labor, here's what I finally got out. Things kind of went to pieces on me, didn't they? Now I just got to get that off and all this off. And I think that slid, but I don't know if that really matters. Boy needs a clean up. What are you saying? Why is your dog barking? Don't he know we live here?
My pen. I'm trying to. There it goes. We're on the ground. Things are going awry.
Something wrong with this picture. It's starting to sprinkle out there, and I'm outside and you're inside. Somebody's been here before with a torch, it looks like. Having fun?
I wouldn't say fun.
What would you say?
I guess it's kind of fun.
You know, there's few places on your pants you don't have any grease. And I think there's a spot on your face with no grease.
Yeah. Yeah, these are my pristine clothes. My church clothes, as a matter of fact.
Okay. I see they're holy pants.
Very holy.
The lawnmower's done. What are you doing, Rum Dum? Hey. Alright, we're going to dive into the transmission endeavor since I got my mower fixed. Working good. I also pumped up the tire on that thing and did a couple burnouts. I should have videoed that. And she's still doing something over here.
Working on my car.
Putting bow ties on it.
Girlifying it.
Alright, that's right. I gotta get going. My neighbor did come over while I was working on the mower, and he told me that a chicken's got the brain the size of a pea in it and knows how to get out of the rain. Well, now it's Sunday. We gotta do some swapping on the transmissions. That one's out of the Suburban, a known good transmission. So that's what we're gonna put in it. He didn't quite make her yesterday. I guess I'm gonna fall in here and help him pretty good and get it done as soon as he gets out here. What are you doing?
I'm freshening up the wheels with a second coat.
Good. Yep. Alright, it's finally the put the tools away stage so you can find them again. All we got left to do is
fix that TV cable, get it right, and then pour a little coupling thingies on there, and then test drive
dipstick.
it.
One bolt in the dipstick.
Oh yeah, dipstick.
Bell housing. And Harley is stressed to the max over there. Right, buddy? Alright, we got her running, but all he's got to do is fix a lawnmower tire before he can get his truck out. Pretty smart of me, wasn't it? Running, it goes into gear, and we got the transmission fluid topped off. So I guess he's getting ready to find out if it's a good one or not. I think our injector pump's getting wore out. She's starting hard. You gotta hit her with a little ether sometimes. But the boy's been running used motor oil and whatever in it for probably 15,000 miles-ish. So that might have something to do with it. Alright, I'm gonna go for a ride with him. Y'all pray for me. Hey dude, you gotta move over a little bit. Hey.
Oh, come on, move over a little bit.
Okay. Here we go. It shifts. All right, stop now. Hang on, Harley. Shifts. Are you as nervous as I am, Harley? Second. Third. You got it in overdrive?
Yep.
Huh?
Yep. Alright, the 0 to 60 was about 9 seconds. Yeah.
Well, we were going downhill. Third. Sure you got it in overdrive?
Whoops.
Acts a lot better, don't it?
Oh yeah.
There it went in overdrive. Acts like it's supposed to.
Yeah.
I guess that dad-built transmission's okay, huh?
It's working better than the GM one.
What do you say about it, Harley? you. Now, if I can get that boy reined in, he needs to put away some stuff here.